once you've logged into your BPI portal, then what you need to do is locate the bottom option that says Other Services. And so under Recipients, you will see Manage Recipients. So what you need to do is click Manage Recipients. And once you click that, you will be driven to the end and click that. Once you've clicked that, you will see a drop-down menu and you will see different options: billers, other person's accounts, prepaid cards, prepaid phones, and other prepaid merchants. So what you want to need to select is billers. And so this is the same procedure that I've shown in my other video about how to enroll third-party billers. So select billers and you are going to want to click that. And once you click billers, then it's going to drive you to step 2, in which you will select the name of the biller. So there are a lot of biller names here, a lot of companies listed. So make sure that you just type in the letters BEC space MC. That's Bravo, Echo, Charlie space Mama, Charlie. That's for the BPI Express credit card. And MC stands for MasterCard. So MasterCards always start with the number 5. So now you're going to need to have your credit card pulled out once you need to put the reference number. Now this is the part where it gets confusing for other people. And so the reference number is the credit card number. So once you pull out your credit card number, you need to type the 16-digit credit card number in your MasterCard. Once you've done that, then you want to hit next. So once you click next, it's going to bring you to step 2, where it will ask you to confirm if the details are correct. And if it is, then you want to hit confirm, and it's going to ask you for step OTP. Okay, so it's a one-time PIN that's going to be sent to your mobile phone, and put in the OTP that you've received. And once you've put in the OTP, hit submit, and it's going to tell you that you've successfully enrolled your BPI Express credit card as a biller. And then you want to hit done, and let's start paying for this credit card.